Local news for Thursday the 31st of October. The 2020 Kiwibank Local Hero Medal recipients have been named, with 8 locals included on the list of awards. For various reasons too, recipients included Helen Dew, Sandy Ryan, Sahana Rose, Daniel Miller and Karis Gibbs. Masterton Trustlands Trust has confirmed the election of 2 new trustees to its board and the appointment of 2 women to both chair and deputy chair roles for the first time in its history. Leanne Southey will chair, with Christine Brewster as deputy. Chairperson Leanne Southey says the Trust also welcomed the local knowledge and experience of the new trustees and what they would bring to the board. Pukaha Mount Bruce National Wildlife Centre has been overwhelmed with the success of its annual Community Open Day held last Sunday. Nearly 1,400 people from across the Lower North Island made the most of the opportunity. A special edition this year was a trio of skilled Māori carvers creating taonga, or treasures, and sharing their passion for the traditional arts and storytelling. And Lockie McFadgen's been called into the New Zealand Heartland 15, a late inclusion. He'll join Martinborough's Tristan Flutie and Tim Priest. The New Zealand Heartland play 3 games, one against New Zealand Marist, who'll be represented by Masterton's Paddy Gluck, and 2 games in Fiji. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.